Have you ever noticed how pretty much all our money has this like flat expression? See the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill, the $20 bill. You see they all have this flat expression. Actually, the $50 bill has this like grumpy, frowny expression. And then of course you also have the $100 bill. Well, I'm going to show you how you can actually make your money smile. Like you can make it happy. Okay, so what you're gonna do, just take any dollar bill. This can actually work. You can just draw a face with a flat out line, and you can do the same thing with this. So the way this works, you'll look at where the start and the end of the lips are. Okay, and then you want to find where the kind of the middle, not like the middle of the line, but the middle of the lip. So if you notice on the $100 bill how the middle of his lip is actually shifted over here, so it's not actually in the middle of the line. So you want to pay attention to that. That's going to be important if you want it to look natural. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we'll find the line, and we're actually going to fold the bill over, and you want it to end right at the line or start at the line, and then you line up the edge, all right, the top and bottom edges, and then you just crease it like that. Okay, after you've done that, you're going to do the same thing with the other lip. Okay, whichever way makes it easier for you, you can move the bill around. All right, so same thing, you start it at that, you'll line this up, the edges, and then we'll pinch it and crease that. Okay, now that you have these two, you can see it's like this. Okay, so now you want to find where the natural middle point of the lip is. Okay, so it's slightly shifted over to this side a little. And what you're going to do is you're going to push that inwards. Okay, and you're going to line up to get these lines to kind of go parallel. All right, so that way they don't like cross, just like this. Okay, parallel. Then you just pinch it over. All right, and then what you do, now you'll see you have this shape here. Oops, sorry, where am I going? Now you can see you have this shape here. You pull it to open it up a bit. All right, so now you have this kind of like a V or an M shape, I guess. All right, and now look at the magic. So you see this? Because of the illusion, you can make it smile. You can make it creepy smile. And you can also make it frown. Look at this. He's sad. That's so funny. All right, so we're going to do this with each bill. You can see how you can do this. It's pretty neat. Looks pretty natural. At least I would say so. All right, so we got the $1 bill. We're going to go with the 5. Sorry, I don't have a nicer one. But we're going to do the same thing. Start at the end or starting of the mouth. Line up the edge. All right. Do that. Same thing with the other side. Line it up. All right. And then crease it. All right, same thing. Form that little boxy shape. Find where the middle is. Push it in. Okay, just like this. Right. Again, it's always like offset, it seems. All right, there we go. If you don't get it perfectly like on the middle, it's okay. It'll still work. It just won't look as good. Anyways, here you go. Same thing. Pull it apart. Looks normal, but tilt it. And now he's smiling. If you want a more exaggerated effect, you can kind of keep the creases more, and then it kind of will affect it more, but it'll look weird. So you kind of like flatten it out more, and there you go. He's smiling. And now he's sad. He's sad. He's smiling. Sad. Okay, next we got the $10 bill. Can't do this with the $2 bill. Wait, I forgot. Maybe that you can do it with the $2 bill. I think the $2 bill does have one person on it. I'm going to go see if I have a $2 bill to do that after I finish all of these. But here you go. Same idea. Crease, crease. Line it up. Crease, crease. All right. Find the middle. This time it's moved over here. All right. We're going to pinch that up. This one is like a lot less. So you're going to have a much bigger, as you can see, a much bigger gap there. And there we go. Okay. Same thing, open it up, and here you go. Normal, extra happy, and sad. Sad, happy, and sad. This is so fun. Okay, then we're going to go to the $20 bill. We're going to do the same thing. All right, we're going to do this with all of them. Again, you can do this with any line, even just a line on a paper, basically. If you fold it like that, you'll have where the midpoint is folded. That's where it will kind of go opposite way as the peaks. All right, so same thing here. Find the middle of the lips, push it in. Okay, I used to do this a long time ago, and then I just thought to make a video of it because it's fun. All right, line it up, fold it. All right, here we go. Look at this, normal. He's getting happy. And now he's scared. Again, if you want a more drastic effect, you just make sure the creases are kind of staying less pulled apart. So the more you pull it apart, the less drastic the effect. And there you go. Okay, so yep, he's sad and now he's happy. All right, we got the $50 bill. Here you go. Same thing. This one, the effect, because he's already with a grumpy frown, the smiling part is not as noticeable, but you can at least kind of more flatten out his grumpy face. Okay, line that up, crease it. Okay, there we go. Kind of hard to see where the middle of this one is. It's kind of actually in the middle. All right, so we're just gonna line it up and pinch it. It kind of already had a fold there, so I didn't really have a choice. It folded there naturally. But there we go. Open it up. Here you can see he has his grumpy, and he's kind of smiling, at least with his eyes. And now he's sad. See, he got this, and then more sad, and now he's kind of smiling. All right, let's get the $100 bill. I already folded this one, but there we go. Yeah, I don't have a bajillion $100 bills lying around to do this. Here you go, normal one, and now he's smiling, and now he's sad. He's smiling, now he's sad. Let me go see if I have a $2 bill. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I found a $2 bill, and I didn't want to ruin a nice one, so I found one that has folds on it already, and we're gonna do this. So let's go ahead and make him smile. Line up the edges, crease it, same thing, line up the edges. This one's much smaller, it feels. All right, the picture is much smaller. This is Jefferson. Okay, so we're gonna again find the middle of the lips, push it in, fold it up. Okay, it's pretty close to the center, not quite, but almost exactly in the center. So you can fold in the center. There we go. So we got the normal. And then he's smiling. No, he's scared. Kind of grumpy sad. And as a bonus, I found some random Chinese and Vietnamese money. All right, so here you can see this is worth like nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and fold this. Actually, I don't know if it's a collectible now because I don't think they print this type of money anymore. Anyways, we're gonna fold this. Same thing, same thing. All right, and then same thing, find the middle of the lips, just like that. So you can do this with all your paper bills. And again, you can also do this with drawings. You just fold it how you want, and it will work with your drawings as well. There we go, we got that. Look at that, normal. And now he's smiling more. Now he's kind of sad. All right, and then we got Vietnamese ones. These are basically the same person, same bill. It's just one is 2,000 Vietnamese dollars and one's 5,000, which is not really worth much. It's like a few cents or something. Anyway, so I guess we'll just do one of them. I don't know. I don't think it matters to do both. I can't tell where it is with the facial hair there. All right, so we'll do that. And then we'll fold this one just like this. All right, and then we'll find the center just like that and pinch it together. Pinch it together. Okay, so here's what it looks like. All right, now we got this folded, smiling, sad, smiling, sad. So there you have it. We got all these folded bills. Got the $1 bill. Got the $2 bill. Got the $5 bill, the $10 bill, $50 bill. Oops, I skipped the $20 bill. And the $100 bill. Did I? Yeah, did this in weird order. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you have fun showing your friends and family this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.